So we got a toilet here. We're in Tempe, Arizona. I'm at a small fourplex here for this guy that I do a ton of work for. He owns all kinds of properties here in Tempe, and I do all of his plumbing. So I'm at here at this unit, and this, you can hear it, this toilet's running, constantly running. So let's see here. Okay. This is a very odd style of it's not filling at all. Okay, that's pretty strange. What a weird thing. Fluid Master 70385B. Okay. So we're just going to change this puppy out. It's got a nut right here. Pretty easy. So let's go get it. And I've got this Fluid Master. You can see on here it's identical. It's the same one. Pretty simple. Pretty easy instructions, really nothing to it. It should be just simple as taking one out. Yeah, it's identical to it. I'm not quite sure. Turn the water off. Not really sure what goes wrong with these, but apparently something's wrong with it. It's the same one. So I'm gonna change anything out. It's already got a gasket. See if this really is this easy. Is this it? All there is to it.